This is how I learned to drive in the old Toyotas. Oh, is this a Toyota? This better be a Toyota.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, good. I'll hop out in it. I'm not going to drive in some fucking Mazda or some shit.
Well, what's that thing behind?
I don't know. It's a Mitsubishi.
Something like that.
Fucking Mr. Everything. Oh, that one behind it. The one behind it, I learned how to drive in one of those.
Well, that's
Really?
Yeah.
cheap. It's a Land Rover.
Yeah, Land Rover.
Did you?
Yeah, like 70 model or
It's
74.
like the Leyland Brothers.
Yeah, well, that's how old I am.
Oh, I love
I've
that.
had my driver's license longer than you've been alive. Yeah, we should watch it every day.
Oh my god.
Every
Did
week.
you like Monkey Magic?
Yeah.
I hate that.
I love that. It's just really inappropriate because he was chasing this guy once and he got away. He was really frustrated. He goes, "Ah, you poofda!" It's like the fucking poofda because he thought that was Aussie slang. But it's like,
Oh my god, I was listening to Nova a few weeks ago and they were talking about it. It's on Netflix at the moment. And people were ringing up saying how much they love Monkey Magic and I hated it so much. My brother used to watch it.
yeah, I love it. I love that.
Yeah, did your brothers watch Monkey Magic?
No, it's
It was
great.
like just things.
Yeah, it was-
And it was dubbed.
And they had this,
And
there's this
Monkey
boy who was
boy
a
with,
chosen boy, but he was really a girl.
with monkey ears and
So it's-
I can't believe your brothers didn't watch it. My brother used to watch it and I hated it.